Hey, what's up guys, JaseAceQ back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find the notes to any song. Now what you're going to need for this is a MIDI application and a tuner. Now you can search online tuner into your search bar, or you can just go into the App Store and search up INS tuner, which is free. You don't have to have any music background to know how to use this. Well, you need a little bit, but it shouldn't be that hard. So right here I'm going to be using something on Flute Tunes. I'll have the link in the description below, or you could just copy that. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you how to find the notes to Sonic's Green Hill Zone, the beginning of it, just the first couple of measures. So what you're going to want to do, you want to have a good quality mic, and you want to just hum the first few notes. Now you're going to have to memorize the song, but it's not that hard. So so that's about a beat, right? So the first note we're going to say is a B. So we'll put it as a B. There we go. And then the second note is do. So that's about a G, as you can see on the tuner. And I thought I memorized these. Well, so do. That's about a B flat, and there we go. So that's an A. All right, so we're gonna put in an A. Now we're gonna see if this sounds right. Okay, pardon that. For some reason my program isn't working. So that doesn't sound exactly right, and I know that the third note is off because I know the note to Sonic Green Hill Zone. You may not, but it's okay because you're mainly going to only be half a step off. I don't think you'll ever be one note off. So you can just raise that to right there. It's a B. All right. Alright, so sorry about that. We had a little bit of a technical difficulties. So now let's play it. That doesn't exactly sound like Sonic's Green Hill Zone. So the tuner was not wrong. It was me that was wrong. You might be off by a little bit. It could happen, but you'll mainly only be off half a step. So you just have to experiment a little bit. Now to save me some time, I already know the notes. So there we go. We just have to raise those two by half a step. It's fine. So that doesn't really sound like Sonic's Green Hill Zone, but that's because we haven't added any more notes yet. Alright, so now that we have the basic four notes, we can keep going on. Do 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 do. So that's about a B. Right? So we'll add a B in right there. Do 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 do. So that's about a B flat. Right there. So we'll just extend that a little bit. Alright, so we basically have the first few notes. We just have to end it off. Do 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 do. So that's about an F sharp or an F. Let's see. Now, it may sound off a little bit. That's probably because that. See, doesn't that sound like Sonic's Green Hill Zone? It kind of does, right? So what I'm gonna go is, and actually, why don't we just Flute Tunes? There we go. We can go to Green Hill Zone. Sometimes you gotta slam that key. We can go to PDF sheet music. And then, now, the music that I wrote is actually half a step down. We can change that. That sounds like Sonic's Green Hill Zone, right? So, let's actually side by side. All right, we can minimize that. So right here is what you're looking at. You can pause the video and see, but these are, or they should be, the exact same notes that they are on here. And we didn't even have to use the sheet music. Now we had to use a little bit of ingenuity and background knowledge of the piano, but we also just had to use a tuner, and that was free and easy. Cheap, you don't have to have a big music background, and on my other monitor, things have just gone crazy. What on earth? Okay. That was pretty crazy, but yeah, I can make an extended tutorial about this if you guys need more help. Just ask in the comments if you need anything. I'll be glad to help. And make sure you check out my other videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.